What's up, guys? You see those two bikes behind me? I'm about to flip them right now. Let's take a quick look at them. This is the one that I bought for 50 bucks. It's a track hybrid in great shape, and I'm selling it for 240. And I bought it just a couple of days ago, and I have a buyer for it. This is the one. This is the other track that I bought, that I did a video actually about picking it up. You know, I don't just go back a couple of days ago. You can see I picked it up. I told you it had a rusty chain, really bad, and the grips were not the best. However, I told you guys I don't do fix and flips. I just sell them the way it is. I show you how to do it in my book. There's a link below, you can download it, where you can sell them as is. You don't have to have any experience fixing them. I'd never fix them and still make a lot of money. I bought this for 150, and I'm about to flip it right now for 400. So I bought it for 150, this one, and I'm about to flip it for 400. This one I bought for just $50, guys, and I am about to flip it right now for 240. So this is 5x my money. 5x, guys. 50, and I'm making 2